Meaning of edgy.
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 Edgy. The term edgy typically refers to something that is unconventional, risky, or provocative. It can describe a person or object that challenges norms or pushes boundaries. This can manifest in a variety of ways, including through humor, fashion, or art. An edgy individual might have a rebellious attitude and gravitate towards controversial topics or ideas. However, this can also be subjective and dependent on social context. Overall, being edgy often implies a willingness to take risks and challenge traditional norms in some way.